and the rest of the world, with whom I've crossed and have quarreled. Let's meet down so 1,000 reasons that I know to share forever the unrest with all the demons I possess beneath the silver